Hi, it's Sir Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Right, so in our previous video, we started reading a word that has a short E sound. So let's go ahead and continue reading a word that has a short E sound. So what is this letter again? Perfect. Yes, that is letter E, and the sound of letter E is eh. Right, so let's go ahead and read this word. So, di ba, alam nyo na kapag sila yung magkatabi, be, tapos ang sound neto, n, tapos ang sound neto, d. Good job. So, since alam nyo na lahat ng sound, let's combine all the sound together para mabasa natin yung word na to. Okay? So, that will be bend. One more time. Be, n, d. Combine natin lahat ha. That will be bend. Good job. So this one, eto naman, silang dalawa ay le, tapos n, d. Let's combine all the sound together. That will be lend. One more time. Lend. So, this one naman, di ba ito, tapos may katabing e. So, that will be me, tapos dugtong mo na to. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be mend. One more time. Mend. So, ito naman, very good. That is, tapos may katabing e. Good job. Yes, that is se. Tapos, perfect. Yes, that is n. Tapos, good job. That is d. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be send. One more time. Send. And with this word, so, di ba, pagsasamahin lang natin silang dalawa muna. Te. Tapos, idugtong mo tong dalawa. Okay? So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be tend. One more time. Tend. Hello, everyone. If this video helps you learn how to read, please like and follow Sir Ivy's Facebook and TikTok account. Don't forget to share para madami pang maturuan si Sir Ivy bumasa. Also, you may visit her YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, let's go ahead and read this word. So, di ba inaral na natin dati kapag sila lang yung magkatabi? Good job. So, kung nakalimutan mo, balikan mo na lang yung dati nating video. Okay? So, let's combine this word, this sound together. So, kapag sila pinagsama, ang basa dyan ay be. Tapos, what is the sound of this letter? Good job. That is n. And then, t. Good job. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be bent. Isa pa. Bent. How about this word? So, di ba kapag sila yung pinagsama, ang sound nila or ang basa sa kanila ay se, tapos idugtong mo yung sound netong dalawa. So, let's combine all the sound together. That will be sent. One more time. Sent. Good job. And with this word, so kapag sila lang yung magkatabi, yan ay we, tapos idugtong mo yung sound netong dalawa. Okay? So that will be went. One more time. Went. Perfect. And with this word, di ba ang sound neto tas kapag may katabing that will be re. One more time. Re, tapos idugtong mo itong dalawang sound. So that will be rent. One more time. Rent. Good job. And with this word, this will be le, lent. One more time. Lent.
And this one, di ba ang sound nito, ch. Tapos may katabing che. Tapos tapos another ch. So let's combine all the sound together. That will be tent. One more time. Tent. And with this word, that will be pe. Etong dalawa, di ba? Pag magkatabi, pe. Tapos, idugtong mo yung sound netong dalawa. So, that will be pent. One more time. Pent. Good job. And with this word, so di ba ito ang sound v. Tapos, pag tinabihan ni letter E, so ang basa dyan ay ve. Ve. Tapos, idugtong mo yung sound netong dalawa. So, that will be vent. One more time. Vent.
Good job! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations! So, until next video, okay? Bye for now!